Are you guilty of this topic? Are you one of those who just dream? Hi, Marlon McLeod with you on another video of Freedom Guider, the channel that you get motivational speech, insights on entrepreneurship, and much more. Procrastination is a killer. Procrastination is a deceiver. Are you procrastinating? Are you guilty of this? If you're guilty, try to make a change now. Try to make a change in the next few seconds. You can do it. What is procrastination? Procrastination is to delay something that you can do now for a later date. Do you procrastinate? Why do you procrastinate? Should you be procrastinating? You know the answers to these questions. Do not procrastinate. It's a deceiver. It will take your time away, take your goals away. How many goals in life that you wish you had accomplished and you did not? What's the reason? Procrastination? Or the lack of uses of resources? But use of resource, that's another setting I need to speak to you about. But today we're going to highlight the importance of taking away procrastination from your daily lifespan. Be mindful. Do not delay any action. If you have a video to produce, go get on it. Take your phone, any type of phone you have that can work. Make an effort. Make a change in your life. Take action. Stop delaying this for tomorrow. And never, ever keep in mind that people are going to say bad things about you. So what if they say bad things about you? So what? That's life. Let me give you a rule in life. You'll always have people that like you and others that hate you. You'll always have people that will love your YouTube clips or Instagram posts, and you have others that dislike you greatly. So why worry about the people that dislike you? Please some someday, please the other another day. See, that's life. Work hard, have your goals, remove procrastination, make a clip, get on action, move. Make the choice. Stop making stupid excuses and say, oh, I'm going to watch a YouTube clip of someone else. Stop being a consumer and start being a giver. Give people value to their lives. Be optimistic. Reduce procrastination today. Make a video. Give value. And, spread the knowledge that you have. Don't be a holder, a miser of what you can give to the people. Do not make a stupid excuse that, oh, I can't do this. It's all form of procrastination. If you look in the world at many famous entrepreneurs, you can find one basic quality in them. They never procrastinate, and they always try to develop themselves as a person. So try. Remove that procrastination element from your life. Make goals. Be continuous in your push to exceed, to get financial freedom. And no doubt, you'll get your goals by the will of the Creator. Okay? So, start now. Ask yourself, what should I do today? What's my goal today? Then you make notes on a piece of paper of your goals and how you hope to accomplish these goals. Then you take things a step by step after that. Do not procrastinate any longer. Do not submit yourself or your brain, your intellectual skills to a 9-to-5 job. Yes, you might have to do it when you just start at your entrepreneurship, but do not make this your normal routine to work for someone else. Give yourself a change. Try to get financial freedom, and this comes through having an online business or a business on your own. I'm an affiliate marketer, and an affiliate marketer is someone who promotes other people's product. I do not have a product, which is good for me, reduces me of my headaches that these people give me for buying and selling products for them. So I just promote. The headache goes to the companies. They deal with everything. Customer service, returns goes to them. Okay? So be mindful. Start your business. Stop procrastinating. Make a YouTube channel. Give posts every day. Give videos every day. Instagram, Twitter, you name it. Social media is open. It's free. And you work hard on it. You work hard to get your information across. Then, in a few years, you can just go and relax on the beach, having your financial freedom for the rest of your life. This is why we enlighten and we encourage people not to procrastinate anymore in their lives. Reduce this pillar if it's in your agenda to procrastinate, and procrastinating in a different figure, or you make excuses. It's all a form of procrastination. Let's be realistic. You have to watch a movie, you have to drive this. You have 24 hours in a day. Schedule your time. Have goals. And see at the end of each hour, the end of the day, have I accomplished my goals? And why I did not accomplish my goals? Then you look for the following day. You have thoughts. What can I do? What should I keep away from? Who should I keep away from? Practically, some people are negative. So you want to keep away from these negative individuals. They will have a negative or a pullback effect upon you. And you don't need that in your life. Your goal is to reduce procrastination, have aims, accomplish your aims on a daily basis, and push. Be continuous. Be firm that you want to get this goal in order for you to get the financial freedom that you ultimately hope for. If you have not, kindly subscribe to my channel, click that bell so you get the latest videos that I produce, and also clicking that bell will encourage me to give you the latest videos that can inspire you to be a more successful entrepreneur. And in addition, I'd love to know what's your feedback about procrastination. Have you been procrastinating in some aspects of your life? Have you seen the benefit of having goals? Give me your comments. Give me your feedbacks in the bottom. And please, share these videos to people that you love. Maybe this could change their lives just as the way it will for you. Thanks for tuning in. And remember, do not procrastinate. 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 Thanks for watching, and see you on my next video. Bye.